I bring them into my mind's eye. This is another Neville practice. Pay attention. I bring them into my mind's eye and let them see me as they would have to see me. Were I the man I bring them into my mind's eye and let them see me as they would have to see me, were I the man that they know I want to be. So, should I become that man, they'd be aware of it. That's when you know it's working for you. That's when you know you're done. You imagined it, it's done. When you imagine your friends seeing you as that new self, and they're celebrating it with you, it's done at that moment. And this is happening where? Here. It all happens here first. I let them become aware of it, and I believe in the reality of what I've done. Because who did it? Christ did it. And all things are possible to Christ. Did he really do it? Well, he must have done it because I did it. And we're told, by him all things were made, and without him was not anything made that was made. John 1:3. If I did it, I made it. It's unseen as yet. It isn't clothed in three-dimensional form, but I did it.